GPAT Niper ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम बहुत बार रिपीटेडली क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है डिसोल्यूशन टेस्ट के अपरेटस के बारे में कि डिसोल्यूशन टेस्ट अपरेटस कितने टाइप के होते हैं और उसका यूज क्या है। यूएसपी टाइप डिसोल्यूशन टेस्ट अपरेटस पूरे के पूरे आज हम देखने वाले हैं।
Different type of dissolution test apparatus as per the different pharmacopoeia. USP, British pharmacopoeia, European pharmacopoeia and Indian pharmacopoeia. So question multiple times has been asked. So type 1 apparatus as per the Indian pharmacopoeia is a pedal type of apparatus. Type 2 apparatus as per the Indian pharmacopoeia is a basket. So remember this, as per the IP, type 1 is a pedal and type 2 is a basket, and as per the BP, USP and EP, as per the United States, British and European pharmacopoeia, so type 1 is a basket and type 2 is a pedal. So they are the opposite. They are opposite. As per the IP, type 1 is pedal, type 2 is a basket. As per the BP, EP, USP, type 1 is a basket, type 2 is a pedal. Now as per the USP, type 3 is a reciprocating cylinder. Remember, as per the USP, type 3 is a reciprocating cylinder. As per the BP, type 3 is a, as per the BP and EP, type 3 is a flow through cell. Flow through cell. Type 4 as per the USP is a flow through cell. Type 5 is a pedal over disc. Type 6 is a rotating cylinder. Type 7 is a reciprocating disc holder. So these USP dissolution test apparatus 7. There are 7 USP dissolution test apparatus. Type 1 basket, type 2 pedal, type 3 reciprocating cylinder, type 4 flow through cell, type 5 pedal over disc, type 6 rotating cylinder, type 7 reciprocating disc holder. So along with this, you should know what is the role of every type of dissolution test apparatus. So type 1 dissolution test apparatus known as a basket type and used for the dissolution of conventional tablet, chewable tablets, control release tablets. So type 2 apparatus is a pedal type and used for the dissolution of oral disintegrating tablet, sustained release, control release tablet and also suspension. Type 3 apparatus is a reciprocating cylinder, so used for the chewable tablet, control release tablet and extended release tablet. So type 4 apparatus is nothing but the flow through cell, which is used for the extended release API. Very important question was there in a GPAT Niper as well as. So for API, granules, microparticles and implants. So type 4, that is a flow through cell apparatus is used. For type 5 apparatus, that is a pedal over disc, it is used for the checking of dissolution of transdermal. Type 5 as well as type 6. Type 5 is a pedal over disc, type 6 is a rotating cylinder. Both are used for the transdermal dissolution testing. Now type 7 apparatus is a reciprocating disc holder used for the dissolution of control release tablet, non-disintegrating oral and implant tablets. So these are very important